Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you a review and demo of the new Marc Jacobs collection, which is going to be everything in the gold packaging that they have that just came out. I was able to shop it a little bit earlier. It came out to VIB Rouge on September 20th. I do have 3 of the new products that I'm going to be showing you guys today. One of which is the all over foil luminizer compact. And this is the same size as this guy right here, which is the Omega bronzer. So if you guys are familiar, do have them. They are the same exact size. This guy retails for $49. So I do have 2 other items. It's the Enamored High Shine Lip Lacquer. And this is in the shade Shine a Light. And then that retails for $28. And then this also retails for $28. This is the see-quins Glam Glitter Eyeshadow in Gleam Girl. So as you guys can see, it's a very much high shine line that they have here going on. So I guess that's why they tied it in with the gold packaging. And as you guys know, Marc Jacobs is more of luxury end of the makeup game. So that is why the price points are a lot higher. So if you guys were interested in getting anything from this collection, definitely check out the demo that is coming up so you can see how they apply and if this is something worth your money, because it is quite a pretty penny for sure. I'm going to stop babbling now and we'll get right into the demo. So I've already done my eyeshadow. As you can see, I am missing a lid color and I'm going to be taking the Marc Jacobs Gleam Girl Sequins Glam Glitter Eyeshadow. And I'm going to be taking this press down. It says do not discard, so I guess it needs to have that to like keep the pigment pressed. That's how it is. It feels very kind of squishy and gel like, so I'm just taking that again with the flat brush. It really doesn't look like it picked up a lot of product. I just tapped it in pretty lightly. This is my second go, so I'm just going to take this and apply it with the brush first and then see if I need to apply it with my finger instead. It's very pretty. Definitely doesn't feel like a regular glitter eyeshadow. I'm gonna go in with my finger and just press in it ever so lightly. Yeah, I mean, it definitely applies a lot better with a finger, so I'm just gonna continue doing that. The glitter definitely feels a little bit chunky. Doesn't feel fine. Like, I can feel it on my finger. It does not feel fine at all. It's pure glitter. So I'm going to take the new Guilty Omega Glaze All Over Foil Luminizer. Very pretty. As you can see, I've already dipped into it. I tried it on yesterday and it actually looked really nice. Really just adds an instant glow, and it's very much a gold warm highlight. Like, it shows up as pure gold on the cheeks. Yesterday I even put some on my collarbone, but my shirt I'm wearing today can't really do that. But yeah, this is what it looks like. And then the last part of this look, or the last part of this collection, is the Marc Jacobs Enamoured High Shine Lip Gloss. This is in the color Shine a Light. Okay, so as you've seen, this is with all the products on. And I can say I really do like the highlighter. As far as the lip gloss, I really like it. It definitely gives your lips that wet look. For some reason, it kind of reminded me of the Desi and Katy lip gloss, which I have been trying out too. Their new one that is called The Most, that looks like this. So they look completely opposite in the tube. But what really got me is the kind of pink reflex that I can see in the lips. And so I did a swatch comparison. The Marc Jacobs is definitely a lot more of a sheen, and it is a thicker consistency and has a little bit more of a color to it, as to the Desi and Katy. The Most gloss is definitely more clear with just pink sheen. So yeah, that's my little comparison. I definitely do like it, and I do like the glitter eyes. I like how they applied. Would I purchase this, or would I say to like spend your money on it? I think there are definitely some other dupes that are a little bit easier to apply. So like, of course, glitter, you have to use your finger a lot of the times, but the way it feels does not feel the best. And it definitely reminds me a lot of the Stila glitters that you can put on, and it kind of has like a lip gloss applicator. I really, really like those. I definitely would recommend the highlighter, that is for sure, and the gloss. And the eyeshadow, I might just say pass on it. It does come out really, really pretty, and also it is $28 for just one single shadow, one single color, when you can get a couple Stilas. Not the full-size ones, but I know Sephora does have the little 3-pack, so they're smaller sizes, which you don't really need a lot of the glitter unless you're using glitter on your eyes every single day. Yeah, I definitely would say skip the eyeshadow, but the other products are definitely a go for me. So I hope you guys found this video helpful and enjoyed it. If you guys did, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. I will go ahead and see you in my next video. Bye!